Hello everyone, welcome to Winray's Academy. This is Vinay. Welcome back to the Mastering Test Management Tools series. In this video, we'll explore TestRail, a powerful tool designed specifically for managing and tracking test cases efficiently. TestRail is widely used by QA teams to organize test suites, execute test cases, and generate detailed reports, making it an essential platform for effective test management. By the end of this video, you'll understand how TestRail simplifies test case management, improves team productivity, and ensures better test coverage. Let's dive in. TestRail is a web-based test case management tool developed by JIRA. It allows QA teams to organize, execute, and track test cases in a structured and scalable way. One of the standout features of TestRail is its ability to support both manual and automated testing. It integrates seamlessly with popular tools like JIRA, Selenium, and CI/CD pipelines, enabling teams to link defects, execute automation scripts, and keep track of test progress effectively. Whether you're working on a small project or managing complex enterprise-level testing efforts, TestRail offers the flexibility and control needed to ensure organized testing. So why is TestRail an essential tool for QA teams? It provides a centralized platform for organizing and managing test cases, ensuring that testing activities remain structured and accessible. With real-time visibility, TestRail allows testers, developers, and stakeholders to monitor the progress of test execution through detailed dashboards and reports. It enhances team collaboration by enabling seamless communication between QA teams and developers, helping to resolve defects quickly. TestRail supports streamlined defect reporting and traceability, ensuring that bugs are linked to test cases and requirements. Overall, TestRail empowers QA teams to plan, track, and optimize their testing efforts effectively. TestRail comes with a range of features that simplify the testing process. Test case management. You can create, edit, and organize test cases into structured test suites and sections for better organization. Test runs. TestRail allows you to execute test plans, track real-time results, and mark test cases as passed, failed, or blocked. Integrations. TestRail integrates seamlessly with tools like JIRA, GitHub, Trello, and CI/CD tools to ensure end-to-end workflow coverage. Reports generate detailed and customizable test coverage, defect trends, and progress reports to analyze testing effectiveness. These features make TestRail a comprehensive solution for managing all phases of the testing lifecycle. Let's walk through how to create and manage test cases in TestRail. Start by creating a project and adding a new test suite to organize your test cases. Add test cases with detailed preconditions, test steps, and expected results to ensure clarity and consistency. Group test cases into sections based on functionality, features, or modules to maintain clarity. Prioritize test cases based on risk, criticality, or business impact so teams know where to focus their efforts during execution. This systematic approach ensures that test cases are easy to manage, reusable, and aligned with project goals. Test execution in TestRail is straightforward and efficient. When running a test, you can mark each case as passed, failed, or blocked. This makes it easy to track testing status. For failed test cases, TestRail allows you to log defects directly into tools like JIRA, including all relevant details such as steps, screenshots, and expected behavior. Throughout the test run, TestRail provides real-time progress updates, making it easy to monitor execution status and analyze failure trends. This integration streamlines defect management and accelerates the bug resolution process. One of TestRail's strengths is its robust reporting and dashboards. TestRail generates comprehensive reports, including test coverage reports, execution summaries, and defect summaries to provide valuable insights into testing progress. The dashboards display real-time metrics, charts, and KPIs that help teams identify trends, bottlenecks, and test results at a glance. Testers can also share reports with stakeholders, ensuring visibility and transparency in the testing process. These reports make it easy to analyze project health, measure team productivity, and ensure on-time delivery. To get the most out of TestRail, follow these best practices. Write test cases that are clear, concise, and reusable so they can be executed consistently across projects. Use sections to organize test suites, especially for large and complex applications. Integrate TestRail with bug tracking tools like JIRA to streamline defect reporting and management. Regularly review reports and metrics to identify areas for improvement, optimize test coverage, and boost team efficiency. These practices ensure that your testing remains organized, measurable, and effective. In conclusion, TestRail is a powerful tool that simplifies test case management, enhances collaboration, and improves test visibility. Its seamless integration with tools like JIRA and CI/CD pipelines makes it a valuable addition to any QA team. By mastering TestRail, testers can organize their test efforts, streamline defect reporting, and deliver high-quality software efficiently. Thank you for watching this video in the Mastering Test Management Tools series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for joining us at WinRaise Academy. We hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert content. See you in the next video.